Then there's Mike, a former construction worker who transitioned into post-construction cleaning. He already had connections in the industry and knew exactly what contractors needed. By offering flexible scheduling and high-quality service, Mike's business took off. He now services multiple construction sites every month, with a crew that handles all the heavy lifting, while he focuses on growing the business and enjoying a well-deserved passive income. These stories are just a glimpse of what's possible in this niche. You don't need to be a cleaning expert to get started, just a willingness to learn and the right strategy. To wrap it all up, the cleaning niche is full of potential. Whether you're starting small or dreaming big, the demand for cleaning services is always there. And with the right approach, you can build a business that doesn't just generate active income, but eventually passive income too. So, if you're ready to make money in the cleaning niche, remember to start with high-demand services like post-construction or Airbnb cleaning. Scale by automating your operations, and always look for ways to market yourself locally and online.